Quaker Meeting House was on the peninsula where Deep Run and the Patapsco River meet. It has long since washed away, but that's where it was. And we're delighted that we were part of that move to freedom. Elkridge Landing was a launch pad of security. In 1861, Relay, which is the relay station in Elkridge Landing, was that vital link to D.C. And General Benjamin Butler came up the Annapolis and Elkridge Railway to Elkridge Landing to launch the campaign to ensure the access to the capital city of Washington, D.C. because they couldn't go through Baltimore anymore. Later, he made a feint up the Patapsco Valley. He went west up the Patapsco Valley on the railroad, and then they turned the trains around in the middle of the night, and they went back into Baltimore, and they put troops and cannons on Federal Hill, and they took control of Baltimore. They had batteries on all sides of the Patapsco at the viaduct, and again, it was the most highly protected bridge in the United States during that time. We have over here some architectural examples. We have some ironwork. We know that in 1833, at least, the furnace at Elkridge was upgraded to a casting furnace. We have fire vats, which Elkridge became famous for. The one in Hopewell Village became famous for stoves, something called a Hopewell stove. They made all the parts. You put it in your Conestoga wagon, and as you went, when you stopped in the evening, you got your Hopewell stove out, you put it together in pieces, put a fire in it, you could cook with it, and then when it was cool in the morning, you took it apart, put it in your wagon, and you went on from there. Elkridge was famous for fire vats. I had a graduate student at Winterthur who came and gave me some information about the fact that that was one of the things they did, made fire vats to both reflect heat out and to protect the back of the furnace. Because most houses burn down because of chimney fires. So soot building up into your bricks in the back of your fireplace was a major problem. On the other side, we have brass. The brass doorknob and key is the logo that we use for our restaurant. And it's very elegant. Of course, it's handmade. In the third floor, we have a lunette window, and the hinges in the window up there were handmade. And you see the marks from the blacksmith on the hinges. When we restored the second floor porch on the back of what we call the Manor House, the 1810 house. If you've ever been there or when you do come, you're going to see a porch, a servant's porch, a second floor servant's porch with plaster ceilings, and then garret rooms with a roof above it. When we got there, the back porch was a number of columns were missing, and the back porch was supported with cinder blocks and jacks. So we found the columns in former slave quarters, and I got a restoration company to come in and help restore that back porch so we could put the columns back in place and do all of that work. When we took the floorboards up, and we're doing the restoration on the second floor porch, every column had carpenter's marks with Roman numerals in them. Each one was hand cut to fit in that specific spot. When they were finally ready, they had all the columns in place, and they loosened the jacks. The porch did not drop down to where the columns were. And they discovered that all the weight of the porch was cantilevered off the other side of the house, just like Frank Lloyd Wright would do later on. And they were shocked that all that weight was cantilevered, and essentially the columns